Good morning. Positive for today. Let's continue talking about feeling constraint. Ito ay para dun sa mga nagsasuffer from spiritual constraint o yung nakararamdam ng disconnection from one's faith, yung confusion about beliefs, or lack of fulfillment in spiritual and religious practices. Sana po makatulong itong positive ko sa inyo. First, practice gratitude. Big or small blessings, be thankful. At sana ma-recognize mo na nagmula ito sa Diyos. Kasi may mga bagay at biyaya na hindi natin deserve matanggap, pero ibinigay sa atin. And the more that we recognize that we don't deserve it, the more it becomes a gift. Pangalawa, explore spiritual texts. Yung Bible, yung mga journal and reflections ng mga saints that resonate with you. This will help you to gain more insights and inspiration. Third, volunteer or help others. Pagkatapos mong ma-recognize yung mga biyayang meron ka at matuto sa mga nabasa mong spiritual text, magandang maibahagi mo ito sa iba because it will foster a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Ibabalik ka din ito sa very essence of your spirituality and faith, and that is to love. Love, love.